Hi and welcome to our final guide for how to get the best out of your AeroPress series. The final guide is our cold brew concentrate. This one is nice and easy, but it does take about 12 to 18 hours to prepare. So the first thing we're going to do is assemble our AeroPress. This is a little different than the two previous guides. We're actually going to be doing the inverted method. So we're going to be taking our plunger and setting our brewer upside down on top. Just squeeze it together and push it about 2 inches down on top of the plunger. And add this on top of your scales. Next, we're going to grind off our coffee, 35 grams. We're going for a very coarse grind texture for this brew. So if you grind for French press, grind it a little bit coarser than that. And we're just going to add that into the AeroPress. Just be careful not to knock it over. Give it a little shake and tear your scales. Next, we're going to add 70 ml of room temperature water into the AeroPress. We're going to let that sit for about 20 seconds. You can give it a little swirl if you like and set it back down on your scales. And then top up the AeroPress with another 120 ml of water, bringing your total brew weight up to 190 ml. You can lock the bottom part of your AeroPress over the top just to keep it nice and safe. And you want to let that brew for about 12 to 18 hours. So guys, 18 hours have passed. The next step that we're going to do is add our paper filter into the bottom of our filter holder. Lock it back on to the top of the AeroPress. Squeeze it nice and tight. And get your server or mug. And be careful. Flip the AeroPress over on top, like so. Give it just a little second to settle. And then press gently to dispense the concentrate. This should take about 30 seconds. And when you hear the hiss, you're done. So guys, this usually makes about enough concentrate for 2 to 3 drinks, and you can store it for about 48 to 72 hours. And the coffee we've used today is a Brazil Anaerobic from Sale Silvestre. It is bright, juicy, berry-like flavors, and it works very well in any coffee-based mocktails. If you'd like to see the recipe for my cold brew mocktail that I've created using this concentrate, the link is just below. And if you like content like this, please like and subscribe for more guides.